going on, y'all? This is KP from the KP and Gino J show, and yeah, I'm in the old 44 here in Atlanta on this rather cold day. I'm from Florida, so it's a bit nippy if you ask me. It's like 40 degrees right now, so that's why I'm bundled up. But I guess I'm just too tropical for this. But this video is about gentrification and my thoughts. I mean, it doesn't have to be looked at as rule of thumb or law for anyone else to feel a different way. But my thoughts on gentrification here in Atlanta, and I'm speaking here in Atlanta because this is where I'm at. I mean, it's like a gift and a curse, because although all this new construction, like behind me is public housing, and across the street, some new condos starting at the low 400s. Yeah, that's a sweet deal, right? I guess so. But the purpose of this video is to express how I feel about gentrification. I mean, it's cool here in Atlanta because the mayor Lance Bottoms, isn't allowing people to be displaced when it comes to building up around their certain neighborhoods. Like this is 400,000 right here. I went inside these places because I'm a realtor and I just hit the super key. And these 2-bedroom, 2-bath units going for 400. Don't even have a living room. Yeah, I know. It's crazy, but I just wanted to make this video about my thoughts. And man, just a bunch of mixed emotions, because although the homes being fixed up are driving up the property value, it kind of puts the people who live here in another tax bracket. I mean, as far as the home tax value, because all the comps are going up. So that kind of hurts the people that are here. I mean, but if they're owners, of course, it hurts them. If they're renters, I hope the landlord or the owner of the complex, like this public housing behind me, doesn't sell and displace these people, because it could be ugly. Like, I mean, I love it to see like contemporary homes like that next to older homes like that, as long as they're kept up and everybody's happy. Like in the old 4th Ward, it's very historical. Like, so I'm almost out of breath. I've been doing a lot of walking today. But yeah, I'm gonna just walk this neighborhood and show you what's going on. Like right here, we have 4, I guess you wouldn't call them townhouses because they're not attached, but 4 units, and they're going for around 500 each. So that's like $2 million. What's going on, boss? So there's like $2 million on that one block. And then if you can see behind, that's downtown Atlanta right behind it. And again, right next to this nice house and these 2 remodel homes across the street is another, I guess that's public housing, maybe Section 8. But it's crazy because it's like every other house is remodeled and updated, and then right in the middle of them, you got these Section 8 homes or public housing. Up to my left, it's a cool little park, a couple basketball goals, some swing sets, and a slide for the kids. And this is Wabash and Parkway Park. But I'm just walking down a little further to show you guys these new units. Like, and I think they're going to be around another 500,000. And right here you got another Section 8 next to a contemporary home. What's going on, boss? Chilling. You stay over here?
Huh?
You stay in this area?
Yeah.
Where are you originally from?
Well, I'm originally from Ohio, Cleveland.
Uh-huh.
But I'm staying out in Stone Mountain.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just making a video about the development in the neighborhood. Yeah. See how they got these new houses here, and then the not so new houses here. It's like every other house is pretty new.
Pictures back home behind the development in this area.
Uh-huh. What you think about it?
Where I'm from, man, this is heaven. Atlanta's heaven.
Yeah.
I'm from Cleveland, Ohio, you know.
Uh-huh. What make you say Atlanta heaven?
You go to Cleveland, where you from?
Florida.
Well, you go to Cleveland, Detroit, Chicago.
Uh-huh.
go to any of them cities, man. You see how the ghetto is up there, man. It's horrible.
Yeah, that's really what this video is about, like gentrification and the hood's turning over a new leaf. It's like Atlanta is very different because in larger cities, like you say, New York, Chicago, Detroit, it's a lot of black people being pushed out and white people moving in. But in Atlanta, it's totally different because the mayor is black and she won't allow but like a certain percentage of homes to be like extend the actual current value of like rental value, so everybody won't be pushed out.
You see, I wanted to come down here in '94, but I didn't make it down in 2006. But in between that time, I was talking to different people who was coming back and forth from Cleveland to Atlanta, and they were saying how well the people were living down here in Atlanta.
Right.
Then they told me that 49% of black people have money.
Right.
Here in Atlanta, in Georgia, and it's not that way in Cleveland. It's like 5%. Michigan, it'd be like 5%. Pennsylvania. You see what I'm saying? So black people are more able to be successful down here in Georgia.
It's like they got the blueprint.
Yeah.
It's like they helping each other down here. I mean, that's a good thing. It's sort of like Wakanda from Black Panther.
You know the King Center down there, right?
Yeah, straight ahead.
Yeah.
Yep. So I'm just walking this area and just documenting some of this stuff to post on our YouTube. But man, what's your name?
Ronnie.
Kelly.
Nice to meet you, Kelly.
Likewise. So yeah, thanks for those words, man. I mean, you hit it right on the head. It's like other larger cities need to take the blueprint from Atlanta so that everybody can see what's going on the larger scale.
See, the U.S. had a recession back in the late 70s, okay? The industrial states up there, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Indiana, all those states are still struggling today. In fact, the majority of the states in this country are struggling, except for about 10 or 12 of them. And you got Florida, you got New York, California, Georgia. You know, so that was part of my decision of where I wanted to go. Okay. I say, well, Atlanta, this is where Dr. King is from. So Georgia, you know, it's a safe distance away from the hurricane. But, you know, I took all that into consideration. And so, you know, I said, Georgia, Atlanta's a nice place to go. But a lot of states are not producing. In fact, you know, you just got California with 30% of the GNP. Right. You see? What about the other 49 states? You see what I'm saying? Right. So you only have a few states that's producing, and that's because capitalism needs to be fixed in this country. America has to fix itself so it can fix the world. You say you're a godly nation, well, you got to do godly things. Correct. And God gave a lot to America and England, and God expects a lot out of those two countries. And if they don't deliver, then a lot of people are going to be destroyed. Yeah. I agree. Nice to meet you, Mr. Ronnie. Yes, sir. Take it easy. But there you have it. I mean, ain't nothing like wisdom. I can't read that type of stuff right there. They got that the way that he was speaking was with emotion. Like, it changes the way that you look at everything when you talk to someone that's older with more wisdom than you think you have. Man, that's all I can say. And gentrification is not a black and white problem. Like, it's a lot of all races like that run across problems when it comes to housing and can't afford certain things, especially in the times that we're living in right now. So this video isn't a black and white video. I would never say that. But it is a video about the rich and poor, or the have and the have-nots. So again, my thoughts on gentrification: it's a gift and a curse. It's a gift because it increases the value in certain neighborhoods, and it's a curse because it may drive some people out of those neighborhoods. I know the sun behind me, so you can't see my face, but I got a mask on, so this is my silhouette challenge. But yo, for real, again, man, just do a little more research on it and try to enlighten others about what's going on around them, because the world ain't gonna stop turning, and neither is real estate. So hold up, before you go, subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and catch you later.